Okay, we're here with Tom Roberts, our Director of Robotic Design. Tom, I know you are working on a demo robotic cell that we've got set up that'll be here to showcase for customers and visitors. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. This is actually a really cool system that we've teamed up with +1 Robotics. What they're going to do for us is they're going to give us 3D feedback of what is sitting on this pallet, what needs to be picked, and where does it need to be placed. That's all done through their 3D vision. And it also has something that's really, really cool called Yonder. What Yonder is if the camera decides that it's having a little trouble finding an object which is the best to pick, it'll actually send a request out where a human will answer the question of which box should we pick next.
Great.